Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have a lovely 2015 Land Rover Discovery Sport 2.2 SD4 HSE finished in Fuji white. This is the diesel automatic 4-wheel drive model with only 55,295 genuine warranted miles. It is described as a rare 2.2 diesel Discovery Sport, and with the HSE specification, it gives you a strong mix of practicality, comfort, and premium Land Rover feel. The service history shows 7 stamps, including 3 Land Rover main dealer stamps. The Cambelt has also been replaced at 38,000 miles by the Land Rover in Lanarkshire. It has also had a Haldex service carried out at 46,000 miles, done by Ian Barclay in Cheshire. Best of all, a free oil and oil filter service will be carried out prior to purchase, along with a brand new MOT, all done by our RAC approved technicians here at Globe Motors Blackburn. The spec is strong on this one, starting with the glorious panoramic glass sky lounge roof with electric sliding sunblind, which gives the cabin a brighter, more premium feel. You also get satellite navigation, Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio, voice command system, cruise control, vehicle driving modes, dual zone climate control, electronic handbrake, and electric rear tailgate. Safety and driver assist features include forward alert, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, auto high beam assist, reverse park camera, front and rear parking sensors with parking aid alert. Inside the cabin comes with beautiful full leather seating, with the front seats being heated and electric movable. You also get electric folding mirrors, reverse dipped mirrors, xenon headlights, daytime LED running lights, paddle shift controls, 19-inch alloy wheels and privacy glass. For extra peace of mind, this discovery comes with 2 remote central locking keys, 3 months HSE nationwide parts and labour warranty, 12 months HSE breakdown cover. Customers can also ask our amazing staff here at Globe Motors Blackburn about extending the warranty for longer term peace of mind. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our HSE approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walkaround via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.